So the OHDSI Symposium is an annual event that takes place to be a moment where researchers throughout the community can showcase their work, to provide lessons that they've learned to share with the community, and to showcase the great science that is evolving throughout the community.
It's the one time inside of the US that we ask all of our researchers to present ongoing research. We have panels, we have lightning talks, we also have a variety of different presentations throughout the morning. It's really a great time to understand where are we in our journey, where have we been, and where are we going in the next year.
It's a great opportunity for people to be able to connect and interact and do some work together with absolutely incredible colleagues from different institutions and universities. Do knowledge transfer, brainstorm some absolutely incredible new ideas.
It's very unique. There's a lot of people there that are very passionate about what the OHDSI community is all about. So when they go to the symposium, they get to meet a lot of different people that have been in the community for a long time, but also a lot of new people. And no one there is afraid to talk to you, or you can just go up to anybody and just say, hey, I want to understand something. Can you help me? And they will. Everybody is very collaborative and wants to talk to others.
For the veterans, the OHDSI veterans, it's an opportunity to have face-to-face contact, exchange of ideas, and to present in the symposium itself, to actually present and listen to new things in the world of OHDSI.
The OHDSI community is unique. We have people with different backgrounds. We have people who are clinicians, who are epidemiologists, computer scientists, and all of them are understanding each other when it comes to the data. That's the unique piece of the community that we are working in, that it provides a platform that everyone with different backgrounds can talk to each other and work together to get to the ultimate goal, which is generating evidence from data.
For me, each year, the most exciting part of the OHDSI Symposium is the Collaborator Showcase. Because at the Collaborator Showcase, we usually have over 50 posters and a dozen software demonstrations taking place. And you really see the community at action. You see hundreds of individuals engaging with each other and trying to figure out how they can collaborate to solve hard problems, to improve healthcare. And what's exciting is that we see folks from industry and academia and government all collaborating together towards this common cause. And so at the symposium, we see a lot of great research that showcase individual accomplishments, but what's most exciting is actually when we see groups of researchers come together to solve problems that they couldn't have done individually, and to showcase that work, whether it be on the podium stage or through these poster presentations or the software demonstrations.